Imagine if I gave you a list showing who is importing a product, which country they are buying it from, at what price, and in what quantity. Would that information help your business grow? Well, this data already exists. It's called import data through HS codes. And for smart businesses, it's like having a treasure map of future opportunities. What is HS code data? Every product traded internationally has an HS code, also known as the Harmonized System Code. Whether it's paper, machinery, chemicals, textiles, or electronics, every import and export leaves a data trail. This data can reveal which companies are importing a product, how much they are importing, which supplier and country they are buying from, the price they are paying. In today's world, data is becoming more valuable than machinery, buildings, and even capital. How can import data help you find new customers? Let's say you manufacture packaging materials. Instead of making random sales calls, you can analyze import data and identify companies that are importing packaging paper or related materials from abroad. Now you know exactly who needs your product. You can approach these companies and offer better service, faster delivery. This saves time, reduces marketing costs, and significantly increases your chances of winning new business. Import data also helps you buy smarter. The real power of import data doesn't end with finding customers. It can also help you discover new and more competitive buying channels. For example, by studying import data, you may identify the importers of your required raw material or buy from new international source. That can lead to lower costs, better payment terms. Sometimes the biggest profit opportunity isn't finding a new customer. It's reducing your costs by making smarter sourcing decisions. It's like fishing in a pond where you already know where the fish are swimming. How data helps in business decisions. Import data doesn't just help you find customers or suppliers. It also helps companies make smarter strategic decisions. For example, if imports of electric vehicle batteries suddenly increase, it may indicate that the EV market is growing rapidly. If imports of food packaging materials continue to rise year after year, it may signal that the food processing industry is expanding. Businesses can use this information to invest in new products, increase inventory, enter new industries, predict future demand before their competitors. Many businesses still make decisions based on assumptions, but the future belongs to companies that make decisions based on data. Remember this: data doesn't just tell you what happened yesterday. It helps you see where the next opportunity will come from tomorrow. And in business, the company that sees the future first usually wins the race. If you want to grow your business, don't just follow the market. Study the data behind it. Subscribe to FSS channel to learn new methods, adapt, and stay ahead.